むんちゃんです。ペッピーです。
Have you ever struggled with Japanese verbs?
Of course! 食べる、食べない。My brain is melting!
I feel you. So today we are organizing all the basic conjugations to help you learn them faster and easier. First, let's look at mass form. This is where we identify the verb groups. For group 1, look for the E sound before mas, like 書きます. And for group 2, it's usually the E sound like 食べます. If you're still not sure how to tell the group apart, feel free to check our previous video first. You can grasp all the basics there. Okay, then let's start from the group 1 verbs. Group 1 verbs conjugate using all a, I, U, E, O vowels. Take a look at the verb 書く for example. Look at how the sound changes. 書かない、書きます。書く、書けば、書こう。You can find all the vowels I, U, E, O here. From the top, that's the ない form, mass form, dictionary form, conditional form, and volitional form. Also, the passive form uses the a sound. 書かれる and the potential form uses the e sound. 書ける Wow, so many forms. And what about te form and ta form? Te form and ta form follow their own special rules. For example, 書く becomes 書いて and 書いた.
Ah, that's where 一立て and 二尾面で come in.
We have another video explaining how to make the te form in detail if you're interested. Well, this covers most of major conjugations we use in daily life. Now let's practice with some other common group 1 verbs. 待ちます Chi is before mas. So it starts from た待たない待ちます待つ待てば待とう Passive form needs れる待たれる and potential form needs る so 待てる As for te form and ta form, if the sound before mas is I, chi, or ri, it changes to te. So te form is 待って and for ta, add ta instead of te. 待った飲みます Me is in ma group. 飲まない飲みます飲む飲めば飲もう Passive form is 飲まれる Potential form needs る飲める As for te form and ta form, if the sound before mas is にびみ it changes to んで飲んで And for ta form, remove で and add だ飲んだ Since we are focusing on an overview, we won't cover all the te form variation today. Please check my other videos if you want to see all the details. Then one more example. This next one is a bit tricky. Take a look at 買います
Okay, we have the letter I before mas. Does that mean it's in the a group?
Good guess, but actually we don't have any verbs in the a group. All verbs ending in I before mas belong to the wa group. In the wa group, we don't have unique letters for I, U, or E, so we just borrow them from the a group. Only wa and o are original members of the wa group today. So it starts from 買わない買います買う買えば買おう We don't use o here because it's only used as a particle. So for verb conjugations, we use o instead. Passive form is 買われる potential form is 変える。て form is 買って、た form is 買った。Now let's move on to the group 2 verbs. The vowel before must is usually the A sound. While most group 2 verbs have the A sound, some have the E sound instead. But don't panic, there are only about 20 or so common verbs like that for daily use. This group has much simpler conjugation because you just keep using the same vowel. Take a look at the verb 食べます。The letter before mas is べ which has the A sound. You just keep this べ for all other forms. 食べない、食べます、食べる、食べれば、食べよう。Dictionary form needs る。For the verb conditional form, just add れば after 食べ。For the volitional, just add よう。Simplicity continues even for the passive and potential forms. They both need られる、食べられる。And て form and た form are also simple. Just add て or た。食べて、食べた。Let's try another verb just to be sure. How about 寝ます？ You might think there's no letter before ます。But it's hidden inside the kanji. 寝ます。So the vowel is え。Now that you found the え sound, you know it's group 2. Let's conjugate. 寝ない、寝ます、寝る、寝れば、寝よう。And for potential and passive, 寝られる。And for て and た form, 寝て and 寝た。Next, let's take a look at some special group 2 verbs. These are common verbs we use in daily life, but you should master these 10 first. 見る、起きる、降りる、借りる、足りる、浴びる、着る、できる、信じる、いる。Special group 2 verbs conjugate using only the E sound. Let's look at the verb 起きます。起きない、起きます。起きる、起きれば、起きよう。Like regular group 2 verbs, dictionary form needs る、but conditional needs れば、and volitional needs よ。Passive and potential need られる、起きられる。For the て form and た form, add て or た。起きて、起きた。ムーンちゃんとペッピーのシール発売中。Lastly, let's look at group 3 verbs. This group has only 2 verbs, 来る and する。And their conjugation rules are different from the others, so you need to memorize their forms individually. Let's see how 来る changes. 来ない、来ます、来る、来れば、来よう。Passive form is 来られる。Potential form is 来られる。The て form is 来て and た form is 来た。Now let's look at する。しない、します、する、すれば、しよう。The passive form is される。And for the potential form, we use completely different word できる。Lastly, the て form is して and the た form is した。And that's it. We've covered all the verb groups. If you've been studying on your own, you might have memorized these conjugations separately, but as you can see, they actually follow a very logical set of rules. In Japan, we actually say them out loud in school like こ、き、く、くれ、こ。We hope this overview makes Japanese conjugation a little easier for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe.
またね